Welcome guys to my first video. Today we are going to analyze the names you gave me under this post. So my advice is follow me on Twitter to stay updated on all the coins, all the stocks. So principally I'm doing Forex, but sometimes I'm doing also cryptos like the main ones. So let's go to the video. I asked you about some names and I'm going to analyze them in this video. So the names are Filecoin, Ethereum, BTC and SUI. This is the watch list of the names you gave me and I'm starting in order. So we're starting from BTC, okay? So I already made some posts about BTC on Twitter. And now I'm giving you the updated plan, okay? What I think is going to happen on BTC. So I'm expecting a little more drop, maybe around this area, okay? To then regain strength and go targeting 120k, okay? If this line doesn't hold, we probably going a little lower around this low, okay? So if we're talking about BTC, these are the two triggers I'm watching, and let's see how it behaves. I think going into 170k is enough for the retrace, and the macro plan on BTC, if this low holds, so let's remove everything. Let's make it more clear. So if this low holds, we are going to do a retrace as I anticipated you. So maybe something like this. And then I think we are going into targeting the ATH, okay? I don't know where it will go after reaching the ATH, but I won't be surprised to see it maybe into 128k or 130k. Okay, so this is the plan on BTC macro, and if you want to step back into the smaller time frames, the levels I advised you to watch are this, okay? So first 117k and then 116k and 100, okay? So this is the BTC plan. I'm doing it quickly. As you can see, also the weekly close was pretty good, okay? So before the weekend we were very low around those prices, 116, and then we pumped all the way through 120k. So I won't be surprised to see a flush going back into Friday levels and then pump again, okay? This is something we've seen many times. So now that we have a plan on BTC, let's analyze also Ethereum. I already have all my levels in the chart because I'm just using one hand because I got injured 2 weeks ago. So I have just one hand, and to be faster, I already marked my levels, okay? So in the daily time frame, my opinion on Ethereum is just that it's going to wrap up, okay? Maybe a retrace following BTC, but then I think a big pump is coming, okay? Most important thing is we don't have to lose the green box, okay? Because losing the green box will lead us into lower prices. I don't think this is going to happen. So if you consider as the green box as the key level, you want to react considering it a bullish higher low, okay? So what you want to find is a liquidity grab that allows you to enter long, okay? If we step back into smaller time frames, I think the best option is to wait this sweep of liquidity and then position yourself long using a trigger. Okay, so when you see the deviation and the liquidity is grabbed, the coin starts to pump and deviate your levels, you're gonna step in. Okay, so this is the plan on Ethereum. It's pretty simple. I think this is the simpler coin out here, because the law is very clear. We can, as I already told you, going below this level leads us to lower prices. Okay, so this is the only trigger that will make us go lower, is again losing the green box. I don't think it's going to happen. So we can step to the next coin that you asked me. No, maybe this one you didn't ask me, but I preferred to put it in. Okay. So if we talk about Solana, I think the next move is not as simple as the other two coins. Okay. In my opinion, the plan is the same across all the markets, all the altcoins. So this is the plan. Okay, I expect Solana to reach this local top around 206 in the next few days or week. So I expect this yellow box to be touched again soon. I think in the very first days of August we should touch it. And yes, if you want to position yourself, my advice is to wait this liquidity. Okay, so here we have a lot of not a lot, but we have liquidity. So wait a sweep, maybe even deeper sweep, because I can see it going down up to 180. So I'm pointing out two levels here, which are 184 and 180. In case we go in below that low right here at 176, there is no problem, because as is a little bit more undecisive, Solana, I think if it wants, it can, and I won't be bearish if it does it. Okay, to me it's pretty strange, so I'm pointing out in red. It's pretty strange that it does something like this. So what you should be aware of is that a retest is probably coming, a smaller retest. And what you should be also aware of is that we must go back again into this yellow area. Okay, so position yourself and use the yellow area as a target. Okay, if we want to step back into Ethereum and I have to give you a target, I'll probably say that, not saying that is going into 4,800, but I think 4,200, 4,400 at least. But obviously all these coins are following BTC, so BTC is king. As you can see, we call the lows on Ethereum on Twitter, so make sure to drop a follow also there. Now we're going into SUI, or I don't know how you pronounce it correctly in English, SUI, I don't know. On SUI, I didn't wrote any levels because in my opinion, even this coin is pretty simple. I won't be buying here, okay, but I prefer to wait. If you want to buy, I prefer that you're waiting maybe a touch of this green level. Okay, where is the path? Okay, something like this. And oh my god, something like this. Or maybe my advice is just to wait BTC to make a top, okay, make the top that I told you, and then after it drops, okay, because I think BTC and also Ethereum are going to drop after doing the pump, okay. So for instance, something like this, okay, and a bigger drop. Obviously we don't know where the drop is going to go, but I think it will be a major drop, okay, not a small one. We can't know the intensity of the drop, but I can say it will be bigger than this one, okay, that the one we just did. My advice on SUI is wait this green area to start position yourself. If we don't go into this area and we stay above but chopping around, my advice is to just watch BTC, okay? So remember guys that many altcoins, I will be careful now, because many altcoins are not in the best position. When I say many altcoins, I mean also the next coin that we are going to see. I placed very few levels on this coin because the plan is very simple, okay? So in this green area, in this red area, the liquidity is pretty strong, okay? But this is not a trade coin, but is a spot coin. So I wouldn't let this coin steal too much attention from me, okay? So this chart is basically useless to see, okay? This coin has nothing, no triggers, no nothing. Since you asked me, I'm still going to make a plan, or trying to make a plan, but this coin is completely dead, okay? There is no useful situation in which you can analyze this coin, okay? There is no point in doing it. There are plenty of coins in the market, and this one is just the one coin you want to leave. Anyways, after saying this, that is a lot more important than you may think, because leaving behind the coins that are useless or dead is the best choice you can do. So never keep hitting your head on coins that are not good, okay? Anyways, this is not a trade coin, so the plan is this. I'm going to place two plans because we have 0 triggers here. So this is the most bearish plan, okay? Like something like this. And if you want a little more bullish plan, I think something like this is going to happen, okay? But then we are going to drop EV. So these are my two plans on this coin. As I already said, is pretty much dead. So it is not a coin you should trade or analyze. Keep in mind to have your trading as simpler as you can. You don't have to just analyze everything. Not every coin is to be traded, and this is pretty much an example. Obviously, if we follow the red path, the target is still the red box. So in my opinion, if you are invested in, I would move my money into other coins, like maybe stronger coins like Solana or something else. I think is everything for today and this video. I hope all the plans are clear. I have 5 minutes, then have to step into a call. So this video can end here. I think I explained everything. I kept this very simple and concise. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you soon and see you in the next. Let's smash it.